Welcome to Smith's Virtual Cookie Exchange. I'm Cindy Orley of Akron, Ohio Moms, and I'll be one of your hosts. We're finding new ways to enjoy one of our favorite holiday traditions this year with Smith's Virtual Cookie Exchange and Holiday Recipe Contest. You're invited to share your favorite Christmas cookie recipe for a chance to win one of 5 Baker's Prize packages worth $150 each. There are 5 contest categories that you can enter. Most traditional, most festive, healthiest, most unusual ingredient, and best overall. Just be sure that your recipe includes at least one Smith's ingredient and submit your recipe by December 22nd for your chance to win. I can't wait to check out all the delicious cookie recipes you come up with, and I'll be sharing my favorite recipes and holiday traditions along the way. If you need some inspiration, check out Smith's website, which is where I found the recipes for these delicious cookies: pecan pie cookies, buttermilk cookies, swirl, and eggnog cookies. So soften some butter, preheat the oven, and let's get this baking party started.